How to make custom audience for Messenger notes. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. If you want only few people to see your Messenger notes, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open your Messenger app.
Now let's make a note. To do this, on top of your screen you will find this search bar. So right below it you will find this option, drop a thought, so tap on it. Now write whatever you want on your note. So type anything you want. You can also add music by tapping on this music icon located right below it. Now here on bottom of your screen you will find this option, change audience, so tap on it. And here you will find different options like friend and connection, friends, and on bottom of your screen you will find this option, custom and hide note from. If you want only few specific people to see your notes, then tap on custom and select the people that you want to see notes. Or if you want to hide your note from only few people, then tap on this hide note from and select the people whom you want to hide note from. So here let me show you both process. So if I click on hide note from, here you will find all of your friend list. So simply select the people whom you want to hide a note from. You can also search for people by tapping on the search icon located on top of your screen. So search for the people whom you want to hide a note from and then simply select them. And then tap on this apply icon located on top right hand side of your screen. Now if you want only specific few people to see your notes, then what you can do is go back and then tap on custom. And here you will find this option, choose who can see your note, so tap on it. Now here you will find all of your friend lists, so simply select the people whom you want to see your notes. So whoever you select here will only see your notes. So select the people you want and then tap on apply located on top right hand side of your screen. So this is all you need to do to create custom audience on notes. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.